Finding an extra $500 in your budget might sound impossible when you're drowning in debt payments, but I'm going to show you exactly how to locate this hidden cash flow that's already there, and why your bank will probably never teach you this during a loan application. The truth is, most people have surplus money sitting right in front of them. They just don't know how to see it because nobody ever taught them the right way to analyze their cash flow. Nobody taught them what we're going to teach you. Let's do it. Here's what I want you to understand about surplus. Surplus is simply the difference between what comes in and what goes out each month. Some call it discretionary income, some call it cash flow, but it's not just your leftover spending money. Banks know about surplus. They calculate it when they approve your loans, but they'll never explain how you can use it to destroy your debt years faster than the minimum payment schedule they set up for you. And of course, why would they? Your 30-year mortgage and your 5-year car loan are profit machines for them. The longer you take to pay them off, the more money they make. Let's flip that. Let me show you the math on how to find your real surplus. First, take your total monthly income after taxes. Let's say you bring home $45,000 a month. Oh, no, not $45,000, but $4,500 a month. Next, list every single fixed expense you have. I'm talking mortgage, rent, car payments, insurance, utilities, minimum credit card payments, everything that doesn't change month to month. Let's say those fixed expenses total $3,200. That leaves you with $1,300 for variable expenses like groceries, gas, entertainment, and miscellaneous spending. Now, here's where most people stop. But this is where the real work begins. Tracking every dollar of that $1,300 for at least 2 months. That's what we need to do. Not just the big stuff. I'm talking about everything. That coffee, that subscription you forgot about, those impulse purchases at the store. When you add it all up, you might find you're spending $1,100 on variables, which means you have $200 of surplus you didn't even know existed. But we're not done yet. Look at those variable expenses with fresh eyes. Are you spending $300 on groceries when you could do it for $250 with better planning? Are you paying for streaming services you barely use? Could you reduce your phone bill or find cheaper car insurance? Most people can trim another $100 to $200 without feeling deprived, just by being intentional instead of unconscious about their spending. Now look, I don't want to dig into your lifestyle, and that's not what velocity banking is about. It's about increasing that cash flow so that you can eliminate debt faster. Folks, I gotta apologize. We have everything you need to eliminate your debt and build your wealth from A to Z. Whether that's the Velocity Banking Wizard, whether you want to have passive income, you got a question about Roth IRAs or anything, we found out that we haven't been telling you this. So what I want to do is I want to share with you the link that you can find everything that we offer so you can go there, get the help you need, and then go on and live your best life. God bless you. And now back to the video. That's how you find your $500 surplus though, okay? It was there all along, scattered across forgotten subscriptions, inefficient shopping habits, and mindless spending that wasn't adding real value to your life anyway. Now, let me show you what that $500 can actually do when you apply it strategically. Let's say you have $45,000 in total debt spread across credit cards, car loan, and maybe a personal loan. If you just make minimum payments, you're looking at somewhere between 12 to 15 years to pay it all off, depending on your interest rates, of course. And you'll pay tens of thousands of dollars in interest along the way. But watch what happens when you take that $500 surplus and apply it strategically using velocity banking principles. Instead of letting that money disappear into random purchases, you use it to attack your highest interest debt first, while maintaining minimum payments on everything else. When that first debt is gone, you take that payment and add it to your surplus, creating an even bigger weapon against the next debt. With consistent application of your $500 surplus, that $45,000 of debt that would normally take 15 years to eliminate gets knocked out in less than 3 years. The math is simple but powerful. Instead of paying the bank's timeline, you're paying your timeline. It's time for you to be the bank. Now here's the worksheet breakdown I want you to use. Write down your monthly take-home income at the top. Subtract all your fixed expenses and write that number down. That's your variable expense allowance. Now, track every penny of variable spending for 60 days, and I mean everything. Add it up and subtract it from your variable allowance. That difference is your hidden surplus. Next, look for optimization opportunities in those variable expenses. Can you cut 20% without impacting your quality of life? Most people can. Add those savings to your surplus number. That's your debt destruction weapon right there. Now, before you start implementing this strategy, make sure you verify what type of loans you have. You want daily simple interest or revolving credit accounts, not pre-computed interest loans where the interest is calculated up front. Most credit cards, lines of credit, and many mortgages use daily simple interest, which just means extra payments immediately reduce your principal and save you interest. If you want to dive deeper into the exact velocity banking system I use to help people eliminate decades of debt in just a few years, I've created a complete breakdown that walks you through every step of the process. You can check that out at the Velocity Banking Wizard. The link should actually be right there in the description link below. The last word is going to be Velocity Max. That's where you want to go for all your financial problems in order to have a solution. Okay, the math works, but only if you work the math the right way. God bless you, and we'll see you in another video, which, by the way, should be appearing on your screen right now.